Scene 1, take 2.
Start again. Act 1.
Scene 1. Take
I'm
1.
gonna like pan in on that. Act 1.
Scene 1. Take 1.
Take 1. Scientists Dr. Ellen Shampoo and Dr. Ashley Conditioner would like to introduce
The
Defrizzinator,
And then
a revolutionary new treatment for fuzzy, frizzy friends. Okay, Dr. Shampoo.
Hello and welcome. I am Dr. Shampoo from Consett University Research Department.
And Professor Conditioner.
Hi there, I am Professor Conditioner, an expert on canine frizz.
Introducing Bob, a frizzy dog.
Hello, Bob. And